The estimates for Shiba Inu prices are in, and they are crazy. I know that you probably have a lot of different feelings about your Shiba Inus, but before you do anything with your sheep, you might want to wait and see what the experts say. We'll also look at some important technical signs and other big news about Shiba Inu from the last 24 hours. Trust me, you don't want to miss this movie. The statements that experts make are very important, and you have to hear the latest news from the Shiba Inu team. So make sure you watch this movie all the way through. Disclaimer: what's up, army of sheep? We're glad you stopped by the channel today. In this video, I'll tell you about some of the most important Shiba Inu stories. Most people who own sheep will tell you that price is their favorite thing to talk about, and it's easy to see why. But before we talk about the price of sheep and all, here are some interesting news items to get you in the mood. The sheep army has always been known for being very active both online and offline, so it's no surprise that this group is always one of the most active in the crypto industry. A recent report says that Shiba Inu is now on the list of the top 10 assets with the most active communities based on social engagement. Just a few days ago, Lunar Crush, a top social intelligence platform, released its list of the top 10 assets with the highest community engagement. Shiba Inu was number 7 on the list, with a total of 123 million social engagements in just 24 hours. So, why does this matter? Well, you may already know that a strong presence on social media is a big part of a crypto project's success in the long run. This is because strong communities are attractive, which could bring possible investors to the project, grow the community, and raise the price of the token. And guess what? This is already working. According to a story from CryptoBasic.com, investors have already started to show more interest in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's trade volume has gone through the roof in the past week, and in just 24 hours, she pulled in a staggering $202 million. Now, how does this fit in with what experts have said about Shiba Inu's price? Well, keep watching this video until the end because we're about to get to that. But before we get to that, here's another interesting fact to chew on while we get to the prediction. So many people are using Shibarium testnet even though the main start hasn't happened yet. Shiba Inu should take this as a good sign. Based on what PuppyScan says, more than 13 million wallet addresses are dealing with Shibarium right now. But that's still not everything. On Shibarium, developers are already working on new projects, like the DEX project. Still, you should be careful. Even if a project is on Shibarium, that doesn't mean it's safe to invest in it. Aside from that, Shibarium's success is great news, especially when you consider burned. Shibarium might help Shiba Inus burn about 500 billion Shiba Inus per year, according to rough figures. If this happens, Shiba Inu might be close to $1 a lot sooner than we think. What that means for games is already clear. Okay, let's talk about money right away. How is Shiba Inu price doing right now? Let's start at the top and see what the charts say. The first thing, then we will move on to what the experts think will happen. Shiba Inu's price has been in a period of stability for a long time. However, after its 7-day low, Shiba Inu has started to show new signs of life, with a daily gain of 7%. With a relative strength measure of 57, its technical outlook also shows that Shiba Inu has been able to break out of its recent consolidation phase. We have reason to think that the price of Shiba Inus will go up even more. But how high is it going to go? So, make sure to keep an eye out. I'm about to tell you that. According to CoinEdition, if we look at the Ichimoku chart, we can see that Shiba Inu is currently moving above the Kumo cloud, which is a bullish sign. The Tenkan Sen line is also trading above the Kijun Sen line, which shows that the token is getting speed. Now we're ready for the price prediction, which we'll talk about right after this very important break. This station gives away 100,000 sheep every day. If you want to take part, you can use everything you have. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message below. #Shiba Inu. Best of luck. Okay, let's watch the movie again. So how high is Shiba Inu likely to go? Well, look at this. Shiba Inu's price is about to break out of its consolidation zone, as we said before. And experts say that right now is a great time for buyers who want to get in. If Shiba Inu can keep its place above the broken resistance, it could go up by a whopping 20%. But if you want to make a good investment, you should think about more than just short-term growth. Shiba Inu could make a lot of money in the next few days or weeks. But can it keep going like this for a long time? Well, it turns out that the answer is a resounding yes, and there are strong signs to back this up. The first reason, which isn't so clear, is Shiba Inus. Low price because Shiba Inus are so cheap right now. It will continue to be a good choice for buyers who want to invest in something with low risk. This means there are more owners, which means there are more transactions, which means the price goes up. The second reason is linked to the first in a way. Shiba Inus are getting more and more fans. The more popular Shiba Inus become, the more people are interested in them. This could lead to more people wanting to buy, which could drive up the price. Now, agreements and collaborations are the third reason why the price of Shiba Inus could go through the roof in the long run. As more companies join forces with Shiba Inu, possible investors will see the project as more legitimate, which could drive up demand and prices. Shiba Inus chances are so good that experts say Shiba Inus price could go up by as much as 10 times in just 1 year. That's amazing. And since we're talking about relationships, there are so many ways to work together. Shiba Inu is working on something that will soon send the price of Shiba Inus through the roof. Binance and CoinGate is an example of one of these agreements. A recent announcement says that this agreement is part of Minnesota's plan to get more people to use cryptocurrency payments. Since Shiba Inu was added to Binance Pay's list of supported crypto assets in November 2022, several merchants have worked with the world's biggest exchange to accept sheet payments. Shiba Inus now march towards with this new partnership. The speed of mainstream acceptance is about to go up a notch. CoinGate has been working with top merchants, including small, medium-sized businesses, for several years. During this time, the company has been able to sell its payment solution to more than 200 merchants, such as Wix, Merchants, Andromeda B12, Vitamin Store, etc. So it's clear that this is great news for Shiba Inu. Adding 200 more merchants to the already large network of businesses that accept Shiba Inu as a form of money means that Shiba Inu will be used by more people, which will lead to more demand. We know that when there is a lot of desire, prices go up, which means that people make more money. The Shiba army is very happy about this. Anyway, that's not the only news that's exciting. Would you like to make some money for free? Well, there's a selling contest where you could win $1,000 in cash. Crypto.com has started a new trading challenge, and the top 20 traders will each win $1,000. To enter the challenge, users only need to post at least $100 worth of Shiba Inu, gel, or sand. But you have to hurry because the trading competition stops at 6:59 at C on April 26. Okay, then, this is the end of the movie for today. What do you think about what the experts say about Shiba Inus? Please tell me what you think by leaving a comment below. Also, if you like the movie, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment in the section for comments. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also, please let as many people as possible know about this movie. Let's tell everyone about this.